Ladies and gentlemen, today we are making Phonk, a genre that is really close to my heart. And so the first thing that we need to do to make the Phonk, we need to a little bit Google what is Phonk, or I shall say, what the Phonk? Night Dry Phonk mix. 9 million? It is that popular? That is Phonk? Russian Phonk. Yeah, the cowbell thing. There we go. Yeah. So it's like a combination of the cowbell playing and the trap. Let's see other notes, because like just changing the scale is just gonna give you different feels. This one's clean. How about I like and add a little bit like this, consolidate, and now we have a roll like that. Yeah, it's called favorite, so maybe that's gonna work. Lengthen it. That's what she said. Big time. She said that big time. So we need to do the velocity control, like. I think that's it. Okay, so this is just the background hi-hat, I guess. This can be here. I think this one is necessary here, but make this one quieter and fade it out. For the movement of these, we can simply apply Alpha tool and like to make this one like that. I do this really often to give drums some movement. Like basically some bounce, like goes from down volume to up, like much beefier. And I think we can change the tone of it a little bit by adding frequency shifter. Okay, we need some 808. Oh, nice crunch. Okay, let's process that. Sidechain that. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of the arrangement. So we could put this guy. I made a preset for punch, this one. Get rid of this. So what we need to do is, because there's gonna be the drop here. So here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into that snare and we're gonna disable this. It is a clipper. We're gonna enable it only here. It's gonna be off all the time here. And then it's gonna, we need to push the volume down here. How much? 3, 5. Let's say 5. And then we do the same thing here. We disable this. What we're gonna do is we need some sort of filter. How about this guy actually? And make it kind of like lo-fi, right? Oh, this is cool. So we're gonna open this here like that, but not fully because we want the impact. We want this kick to be here. Fade this because we lose some transients here. We need like a sweep. And besides that, okay, so I'm hearing in these songs some re-spaces also. Actually get rid of that kick and actually change this snare. Okay, but we need some vocals. Okay, so we got some vocals here. I have healthy re-space. Change this.
Yo, I said my ting. Yo, I said my ting. Hey, the way you thump on the bumper.
I don't really like it.
Baby girl, when I call you back, just turn on the slide like you on the track. Oh no.
Nope. Nope. It's pretty good.
She looking
This can be cool too.
Baby girl, when I call you back, just turn on the slide like you on the...
Okay, this can work here. This can work here. That has a nice rhythm. It has 65 million streams. What the flip? Okay, we need some supporting hi-hats for the vocal, like tick, 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 tick. So we need two different ones. One is gonna be like tick, and another one's gonna be like tick, tick. We can make this cooler by just going this, making this one on the left side of the stereo spectrum, and this one on the right. No, it's too aggressive. We can add some tom fill maybe. Ass effect, or as I like to call it, ass. Oh, blend it a little bit. Ooh, this is so good. Dude, the drum work is like 50% of the whole thing, if not like 70%. Like, drums are so important. Nailing the drum pattern is just gonna make such a huge difference. Like, all these tiny details, tiny little drum elements are so important. Okay, see what effects can we add here. Oh, this one, definitely. But not instantly, like we want to keep this a little bit simpler and then we like start adding some variations. Okay, I have a sick idea, but this needs EQ. I'm just gonna stop here. I need more transients on this one. Oh, and like open hi-hat here. Okay, as you can hear, this has some open hi-hat sound in it. We gotta just EQ this out, and only for this part. I think this should play here instead, not here. Let's keep adding effects. White noise and crashes. And also, these two guys for the transition. Hell yeah. Making place for some tom fill. Okay, that's good. So we need some switch up here. I still don't like this one. There we go. Don't click or I will kill you. Okay, nice layer, nice layer. We need here. That has on it. One little detail. Instead of this crash, let's just use a noise here. So here we bring, because like it's gotta chill a little bit.
Baby girl, when I call you back, just turn on the slide like you on the track. Hey, yeah. Cause I want that back, big bounce energy like you all of that. Yeah.
Delete hats here.
I want that back, big bounce energy like you all of that. Yeah.
Let's take white noise, auto pan.
Like you all of that. Yeah.
There we go. Take these here. Take this here, pitch it up. Take this thing here. Okay, copy, paste. Let's try this one.
Bounce energy like you all of that. Yeah.
The rhythm of the vocal is a bit different here. Like the. Yes, we're close to finishing this track. It's really good. We can put this in the background.
Baby girl, when I call you back, just turn on the slide like you on the track. Hey.
We need to switch up here. Glide. Add a little bit longer. Like.
Baby girl, when I call you.
What was I thinking about? Besides that, this is so good. This guy.
Yeah. Baby girl, when I call you.
Okay, that's it. I am super happy that this is so fire. Oh, before we do anything, gotta soft clip the master. Let's see. Okay, sick. Let's see.
Baby girl, when I call you back, just turn on the slide like you on the track. Ayy, yeah. Cause I want that back, big bounce energy like you all of that. Yeah. Baby girl, when I call you back, just turn on the slide like you on the track. Ayy, yeah. Cause I want that back, big bounce energy like you all of that. Yeah.
That's great. Okay, as usual, speed it up, slow it down. Let's see. Not really good, but let's go down. Interesting. The original is the best in this case. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I will maybe make either penis music, the next one, or Dariakor, drill maybe. Check out Oversampled.us for some quality industry standard samples and preset packs. If you want to get that black hole sample pack, it is right here. Also, we make plugins. Plugins.oversampled.us. You can check out Punch and OCS. Really cool plugins. Have a great day and see you soon.